हमें ये लेडीज लोगों का डायपर है ना, ये दीदी और आंटी लोगों का डायपर है ना, बताओ ना। Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, The Dusky Mermaid. My name is Himanshi Singh. If you don't know, if you are new, welcome. This is that time of the day and I'm irritated, I'm full of breakouts, I'm dying of hunger, I'm dying of pain. This is okay and let's get started. So I am someone who started their menstrual cycle very early in the age and I was really little, and if you guys watched my I made a video in which I told my first period story and it was really scarring for me because I thought I had cancer and I was literally screaming on top of my lungs कि मुझे डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाओ, I have something terrible, I'm bleeding, I don't know from where. So that was a stupid story. I was in 5th standard. The most common product that still stays with us now is the normal sanitary napkins. A lot of them, a lot of brands causes me a lot of rashes and I don't know, they just peel my skin off. I get really bad rashes that I have to deal with another week after my cycle, and that's really uncomfortable for me. So this time I tried a rash free biodegradable, because biodegradable is very, very important as we use a lot of napkins. There are they contains plastic sheets and whatnot, and there is a very difficulty in disposing them. So the brand that I have with me today, that is leak proof, chlorine free, fragrance free, no toxins, rash free and eco-friendly, are this Pee Safe biodegradable sanitary pads. These have a bamboo core, and this packet that I have contains 10 pads, and I think 10 pads are good for one cycle. My cycle is usually 2 days like heavy crazy flowing, and then it decreases significantly for a week. So these are perfect for heavy flow. And first I'll tell you why they are different from other brands. First of all, this actually protected me from rashes. My first and foremost important thing is that sanitary napkins should not give me any rashes because they are very painful. So these are perfect if you have rashes problem. And the top sheet is 100% organic cotton, that what protects you from rashes, and the core is FSC certified bamboo pulp. So I used this napkins last month. This month also I'm using it. So I'll show you how it looks like from the inside. Inside it came in these, cute little bags. I'll show you another one. Such cute little bags. You can open these bags like this, and inside is the sanitary napkin. The absorbency is really amazing. They are large pads. You have to peel it up like this. The size is big, as you can see. This also have wings, and the absorbency is great. I think I only have to use 2 pads during heavy flow. I change at night. Maybe in case you have a lot of heavy bleeding on first or second day, you can use 3 maximum, but I think 2 are more than enough because this is a big size pad. And you can see this is very, very soft, and wings are also keep leakage away. I like how large it is, so you don't have to worry about sides से आगे पीछे कहीं से भी कोई leakage की tension ही नहीं है. And this is great. So yes, I definitely recommend it if you are a woman who menstruate, use this. Another thing that I would like to tell you that I really like about this is how you can dispose it so easily. Like you have used this, so you fold it up, you put it in this bag, again the used napkin, you put it in this bag, you seal it from here and just throw it away. This is so simple. You don't have to look for newspaper, roll it in a polythene bag again and again. You just can throw it simply into this paper and it will save you a lot from the plastic wastage. So to summarize, I'll say that these are very amazing. These are wide, these are high absorbency, they absorb a lot of volume. They are great, they are leak proof, and you won't get any rashes. The foremost important thing for me, you won't get any rashes. You don't have to worry about, getting infected, because other brands that use gels, so you don't have to worry about that because it contains no toxins, so you don't have to worry about, toxins seeping in your body. So this is perfect. And now I'm going to tell you something जिसको सुनने के बाद शायद मेरी मम्मी मुझे झापड़ मार दें. So this is funny story time, funny period story time. तो actually when I was a kid, 5th class से पहले, जब I was in 1st, 2nd, 3rd standard, I was a very curious kid. Used to observe a lot of advertisements about sanitary napkins, और मुझे नहीं पता था ये क्या होता है. तो मुझे क्या लगता था, because men are typically बेशरम and they'll pee anywhere they like, बट क्योंकि women can't do that, वो कहीं भी ऐसे टॉयलेट नहीं जा सकती, तो ये ना हमारे डाइपर होते हैं जो लेडीज के लिए होते हैं, मुझे ये लगता था. और मैं मम्मी को बड़ा तंग करती थी. आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक, मम्मी मेरे को भी डाइपर पहनाओ ना, आई आल्सो पी इन माय पैंट्स, एंड आई यूज्ड टू गेट अ लॉट. आई वाज, तो देयर वाज अ टाइम मैंने बहुत ही कमाल की एडवर्टीजमेंट देखी जिसमें एक बंदी आती है और वो ऐसे बारिश में जाती है एक नैपकिन लेकर, और वो बारिश में ऐसे करती है और फिर उसको निचोड़ के दिखाती कि देखो इसमें से पानी नहीं निकला, और फिर वो जाके कपड़ा ऐसे करती है और उसको निचोड़ती है कि देखो इसमें से पानी आ गया, तो वो एब्जॉर्ब नहीं कर रहा है. तो मुझे तो बड़ी क्यूरियोसिटी हो गई, मैंने भी कहीं से ढूंढ निकाला एक घर में. आई स्नीक्ड अ सैनिटरी नैपकिन ऑफ माय मॉम. एंड व्हाट आई डिड, बारिश हो रही थी, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा आइडिया, मैं भी एक्सपेरिमेंट करूँगी. मैं गई और मैं बारिश में बैठी हूँ और ऐसे ऐसे भिगो रही हूँ और उसको निचोड़ रही हूँ. एंड स्टार्टिंग में आई वाज लाइक, कितना धोखा देते हैं, इसमें तो पानी निचोड़ रहा है, नहीं गलत बोलते हैं, ये डाइपर ठीक नहीं है, इसकी क्वालिटी ठीक नहीं है. एंड देन जब मुझे उसको डिस्पोज करने की बारी आई वाज स्कैर्ड टू डेथ. भाई साहब अब मैं क्या करूँ, इसको कहाँ फेंकूँ, मम्मी ने मेरे को पीट पीट के बुरा हाल कर देना है. सो आई डोंट नो हाउ आई डिस्पोज्ड इट. आई कट इट इनटू 1000 पीसेस. मैंने सीजर लेके उसके पता नहीं 1000 टुकड़े कर दिए और उसको इधर उधर ऐसा डस्टबिन में फेंक दिया, तो मैं बच गई. बट आई थिंक अब मेरी मम्मी इस वीडियो को देखेंगे और वो सुन लेंगे और मेरे झापड़ लगने के चांसेस अभी है. प्रे फॉर मी, 1 लाइक 1 प्रे. मेरे को ऐसा बहुत परेशान किया जब तक मैं छोटी थी ना, मम्मी ये क्या है, मेरे को भी ला के दो ना, मेरे को भी दो. That was another funny period story of mine. Not period story, just sanitary napkin funny story, and the review of these Be Safe sanitary napkins. So if you like this video, if you want to purchase these, the links are in the description box, you can check that out. You easily आपको इनकी वेबसाइट भी मिल जाएगी. Still for your convenience, मैंने सारी links description box में डाल दी है. Just click on that and purchase whatever you like. इनके और भी बहुत सारे products हैं, you can check those out. If you are into tampons or menstrual cup, I think Be Safe के वो भी आते हैं, तो आप वो भी check out कर सकते हैं. एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, प्लीज़ कर दो यार सब्सक्राइब, बस 1000 करवा दो प्लीज़, कब से 6000 पे हूँ मैं. एंड लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड कॉमेंट डाउन बिलो इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट, या इफ़ यू हैव एनी फनी स्टोरी, एनी फनी पीरियड स्टोरी और एनी थिंग दैट यू वॉन्ट टू शेयर. कॉमेंट डाउन बिलो, बात करते हैं, मज़ा आएगा. फनी स्टोरी लिखो, अच्छा कॉमेंट सेक्शन बनाते हैं इसको. एंड आई विल सी यू गाइस नेक्स्ट टाइम. बाय बाय.